tell somebody you're gonna kill them.
That's different.
No, it's not.
That's different.
It's a freedom of speech.
That's different.
You saying that you can say what you want.
What articulate what crime? Articulate what crime I've done.
I'm gonna say what's good, YouTube, and the lighting in the car. I got you. It's going to show. That's why I park like this, sir. That's it. I'm not gonna do no burnouts. I'm not gonna do no. No, I didn't say you were gonna do burnouts. Yeah, that's.
I guarantee you ain't been in law enforcement. Excuse me? The same place everybody. You know the United States Supreme Court ruled every citizen is expected and presumed to know the law? Yeah, I do. Do you also know that? You don't know it.
This is a tragic failure of public service in Gary, Indiana. A citizen documented the shocking state of a federal post office, only to be met by two of the most ignorant officers in uniform. They threatened arrest and tried to illegally trespass a citizen from a federal building. Witness the sheer absurdity as these officers defy the Constitution and prove exactly why the city's residents called for this audit.
Different tiny little organizations and associations set up to actually implement it, to do something about an issue, yet none of them do anything about any issues.
Oh no, it's all
they're all just collecting.
It's all a scheme. It's all a scheme.
And the money. And using
It's all a scheme. It's pathetic.
Meanwhile, my neighbors are torturing me with their base bumping because they know that it's torture.
Officer Gore claimed, if they ask you to leave, you have to leave or go to jail for trespassing. This is gross misconduct and a direct First Amendment violation. An officer cannot enforce a trespass simply because a public employee feels uncomfortable or asks a citizen to leave a public building while exercising a constitutional right.
Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies.
What's going on?
You can ask her.
What we asking you? What's going on?
I'm simply here documenting my activity here in a public building.
Okay, that's fine. Did they actually leave them?
She said she doesn't want to be on camera. That's all she said.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, but they actually leave, so you can record.
Okay.
Right? But if they actually leave,
if she asked me to leave a public building, I have to leave.
Yes.
Even though I have a right to be here.
Even if they actually leave, yes. It's called trespassing. Once you're asked to leave once and you refuse to do so, you're trespassing. It would be the same as if I came to your house and you asked me to leave, and I refuse to leave, I'm trespassing.
But the difference is this is a public building.
Okay, well,
my house is private.
Okay, she's asking you to leave. She works here, you have to leave.
Then if I don't leave, what's going to happen?
You will go to jail for trespassing.
Okay. That's what you said, telling me. If I don't leave, you're going to arrest me.
Yes.
Okay. What's your name and your badge number? M. Gore?
Yeah, you got it. Here you go. You can say it out loud.
1631. Okay. All right. I have you on record.
That's fantastic.
Okay. Yeah. You guys just like to violate people's rights, huh?
Oh, no. Yeah? Can't do that.
Okay. Can you get your supervisor?
You want a supervisor?
Yes, I do want a supervisor. Because I'm not going to let you guys violate my rights today.
Oh, you one of them audit people. Come on. You ain't got nothing better to do?
You have nothing better to do than to violate people's rights?
This ain't violating.
It is.
Now, if we would have told you that you can't record, then I mean, yeah. But we said you can't record. But if they actually leave, you got to leave. And you're talking to somebody with a master's degree in criminal justice. So you're trying to do this whole little, you be violating your rights. We not.
Yeah, because for you to trespass me from a public building, I have to break the law. Simply recording is not breaking the
law. She told you to leave the building and you didn't.
No, that's a violation of my constitutional right.
Okay. What constitutional right is that?
Exercising the First Amendment, freedom of the press. Exercising my constitutional right cannot be construed as a crime. The Supreme Court already ruled on that. You guys should know that as a police officer.
But you can't do that while you can't commit a crime while trying to exercise.
Okay, what crime have I committed?
Because you have freedom. That's like saying, "Oh yeah, I have freedom of speech." You can't walk down the street and tell somebody you're gonna kill them.
That's different.
No, it's not.
That's different.
It's a freedom of speech.
That's different.
You saying that you can say what you want.
What articulate what crime? Articulate what crime I've done.
All right, how about this? You ask for a supervisor, so we done talking until they get here.
That's your right. That's your right. I'm still free to ask my questions.
You're right, but I'm letting you know that you're not going to answer.
So what crime have I committed here, man?
I just said that we were going to answer questions. So why do you keep asking?
I can ask. You don't have to answer. I can ask.
Right, that's wasting your time.
You're a little tyrant, are you? You're a little tyrant, huh?
A little what?
Tyrant. Tyrant.
Oh.
You know what that is? Yeah? That's how you guys roll in Gary, huh? That's how you guys roll over here?
we're just gonna be on. I gotta make sure you get my good side.
So what crime have I committed here today, ma'am? That I'm being trespassed for? Because you think a public place is the same as a private residence. That's pathetic as a police officer for you to think that a public place is the same as a private residence.
No, I use that as an example.
It was a very stupid example. Very stupid example. You should know as a police officer, there's a difference between a public place and a private place. The public place means everyone has a right to be there. I don't have a right to be at your home. I have a right to be here. It's public.
I tell you what, you go to the police station and act a fool.
I was just there. I was just there. I actually came from there.
It's going on TikTok.
I've been to your city. I've been to your city hall too. Oh, you don't have a good side. You don't have a good side. You don't
have a good side, boo.
You don't have a good side.
Yeah, okay.
You're a tyrant. Tyrants don't have good sides.
What was the channel again?
We the bosses.
We the bosses.
Check it out. Yeah.
Just can I give you a little bit of word of advice?
What?
I've been watching this for 9 years.
For 9 years, okay.
Just a little word of advice.
Yeah.
Just be as godly as possible because
I don't.
Gotta come from God if you're gonna do it.
I don't break the law, ma'am. They do.
Okay.
But the officers break the law.
And testing them.
Yeah.
We're not getting anything done by that. You know, unless you're out to make money from the city.
For some reason, they think that I don't have a right to be in a public building.
I agree with you 100%
there. But they think because she asked me to leave, that I have to leave.
I know. Yeah, I've seen a million. I've watched
Were you in fear to get your meal whenever you were trying? I thought it was crazy as hell, and I didn't explain to him that I was trying to get the mail.
She's trying to solicit.
First of all, you better tell them the truth.
Oh, it's all on camera, ma'am. It's all recorded.
I know.
That's why I record.
But I was just gonna say.
Yeah, that's all.
You just listen to me.
Yeah.
Because I better not be on that video. But I was sitting up there telling her, I said, man, I gotta get the mail from my mom. And then when she started saying that she wasn't gonna, do anything because he was videotaping, I was like, are you kidding?
She can't do that.
Next thing I know, little deputy dude right with the purple hair, he started talking about, we don't give a damn about your mother. Uh-oh. So that's when I fucking lost. I can get up out of here. I'm not going to jail. Hopefully you can get your meal. Go ahead, get your jail. You see, she could have left a long time ago. She pumping him up.
Well, how do you say your name?
Frierson.
Frierson, thank you. So Officers Frierson and Gore think that I am breaking the law for just being in a public building and recording.
See, the problem is with y'all is that y'all talk over y'all.
Oh.
Nobody ever told you that you didn't have a right to be in a public place. They told you that once she told you to leave.
Officer Fry cited Indiana IC code as justification for the trespass. The auditor correctly shut this down, stating, "This is a federal building. Indiana law has no jurisdiction in this building." The state officer's attempt to enforce state law in a federal facility demonstrates a fundamental lack of understanding of jurisdiction and supremacy of federal law.
You have to leave.
What does that mean?
That's what the Indiana IC code states.
This is a federal building. It's not even an Indiana building. That's how dumb you are. This is a federal building. Okay. Indiana law has no jurisdiction in this building.
Okay.
The post office is a federal building. Okay. That's how dumb you are. We'll see what the people think about you. We'll see. It's obvious. It's obvious you don't give a shit. It's obvious. That's why Gary is the way it is.
Well, you and Gary.
That's why Gary's run down.
You decided to come
to expose you guys.
You ain't exposing nobody.
Because guess what? Your citizens asked me to come here.
Okay.
Your own citizens asked me to come here because of how dirty this city is. Your own citizens told me about how their rights have been violated.
I don't own nobody, so I don't.
That's why I'm here. The city's citizens. If you want me to be a little clearer.
Thank you.
I just went to your city hall. They try to pull. They try to pull this. They try to pull the same thing that you pulled. No, you need to hear it.
I don't need to do nothing but stay black and die.
You need to hear it, because I can't stand tyrants like you. I can't stand tyrants like you. You don't need to know my name.
We do. We came in contact with you.
Oh. Oh, okay. Good luck with that.
Okay.
You can ID me unless I've broken the law.
You already.
All right. Folks, I must confess that I was astonished by the stupefying level of ignorance displayed here by these two officers. They are both a prime example of what the residents here in Gary have been complaining about. It's unbelievable. Let's get back to it.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm upset because I hate tyrants like you. People that actually took an oath to the Constitution. You're supposed to uphold the Constitution of the United States, but you're here violating that Constitution.
Yes, you was right. I was. I already knew what this was before we got here. What did the Supreme Court rule? Give me a second. You gotta Google it. AI, Chat GPT. I'm gonna see what Supervisor. Joseph.
I would explain it to you if I thought you had any sense. It's too complicated for you to understand. What are the first 5 elements of the U.S. Constitution? Let's start there. You took an oath to it. What are they? The first 5 elements of the U.S. Constitution.
I have a right to remain silent, so I'm not going to say it.
Wait, he ain't going to answer our question, but he wants us to answer his. That's interesting.
Oh yeah, because you're a public servant. You answer my questions.
I don't have to answer yours.
I don't have to answer yours.
Fantastic.
Hey, you're not violating my rights either, because I think I got rights as a person too.
No, when you're in uniform.
The supervisor is here.
Oh, awesome. When you're in uniform, you don't have rights.
All right, so talk to
What?
me.
Oh, you don't have rights when you're in uniform.
You don't
You have duties. How are you? How are you, Sergeant? Nice to meet you, sir.
How you doing, sir?
I'm all right, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir, I did.
What's going on?
So I was in here just documenting,
Yeah, I got it.
minding my own business.
Okay.
The mail lady told me that she says she doesn't want to be on camera, right? That's all she said. She does not want to. I told her I have the right to be here and document my activity. I've been all over the city. I've been documenting from your city hall, all the government offices, right? So she calls the police and they show up. First thing they said was, "Did she ask you to leave?" I'm like, I didn't even hear her say that.
No, the first thing I said was, you do have a right to. That was the first thing.
Okay.
I got it.
And then,
I got it.
and then they told me that I had to leave because she asked me to leave, and then if I don't leave, they were going to arrest me for simply exercising my right in a public.
Okay, you just videotaping the
That's all.
public.
That's all I was doing, sir. Just recording, exercising my rights.
You mind if I just go holler at her real quick?
Sure. I just want to be able to exercise my rights. I'm not here to cause any trouble. Yeah.
Okay. Who? You know the lady name, or she look like?
She's the only one that's working
The
there.
only one?
Yeah.
Black lady, white lady.
Yeah. White black lady. Yeah. I'll give you the courtesy and wait out here for you.
Oh yeah. I'll be
Yeah.
right back.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. Wait for the walk of shame. Wait for the walk of shame. Wait for the drive of shame. Don't go yet. Watch me go back in that building, and so you can take the drive of shame. Don't go anywhere. I thought they told you guys to wait out here. What's she going in there for? To tell more lies? Why she go back in there? He told you guys to wait out here.
How much you get paid doing this?
I wish I got paid. It's a community service. Yeah.
sir, we about to go.
Yeah.
You wasn't being disruptive. You just been here just documenting this.
Yes, sir.
You good to go,
yes,
okay?
Sir. I appreciate
All right,
you.
I'm Sergeant Joseph, sir.
Thanks for upholding your oath to the Constitution.
All right, you take
Thanks for saving these guys from getting sued.
Oh, okay. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Y'all take it easy.
Appreciate you. Do better. Hey, Sarge, please train them better.
Okay.
They're going to get you a lawsuit. No, the city. The city. Take care.
But the whole point of it is this, just to bother you, okay? So just keep doing what you're doing. So they tell you to stay away from the customers and everything?
Oh, I haven't been around any customers.
Okay.
May I know who you are?
My name's Megan.
Do you work for the post office?
I'm a postal inspector. Yeah.
You're the inspector?
Yep.
Did you educate her?
I talked to her. You're just making her uncomfortable with all this.
Yeah, but she told the customers she wouldn't serve them because I was here.
I'm gonna send
Right?
that to box
Yeah?
We'll just let her do it.
Okay,
and
thanks.
address.
Did you give me your name? Sorry.
It's Megan Will. She's an old postal inspector.
Okay, I appreciate you.
All right.
Yeah.
I
Shame before I leave. Can you give me that?
You want to see us take the drive?
Can you give me that?
I can't make them drive away.
Make them go so I can record them go. That's all I want.
I mean, they're within the sector that they work. I can't tell them.
You can tell them to leave.
I can't tell them.
You can't do me that favor.
No, I can't tell them. They're working.
Yeah, but just educate them, man. Just educate them. Yeah.
He hates women.
Oh no, not at all.
All right, now.
Appreciate you, man.
Take it easy.
Appreciate you.
Okay. All right.
May I know who you are, sir?
Sergeant Cole, 1520.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But is that the right thing to do though? Tell them not to engage me, a member of the
Answer me a question. Why are you asking me that question?
A member of the
What's
public?
the reason behind you asking me that question?
What question?
The question you're asking me right now.
Yeah, it's like you just told them not to engage me,
What
right?
is the reason that you're asking me that?
The reason I'm asking is that police officers are supposed to engage the public, and you telling them not to engage me, I think that's poor leadership.
Do you think so?
I think it's poor leadership. I haven't broken the law, and you just told them not to engage me because I'm asking them questions.
Because the way that they were engaging you, that's not appropriate. That's why I told them not to engage you. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else?
Conclusion: jurisdictional and constitutional malfeasance. Officers Gore and Fry exhibited an astonishing level of ignorance, threatening to jail a citizen for doing nothing illegal on federal property. The arrival of Sergeant Joseph and the postal inspector confirmed that the initial stop and trespass threat were utterly unlawful. Call to action. This is why we audit. Demand accountability for officers who don't know the law. If your rights are violated, file a complaint with the chief, the mayor, and the FBI. We pay for professionalism, not tyranny. Step into a constitutional showdown in a Georgia parking lot. When Trooper Chavez saw a beautiful, fast car, his ego took over. He immediately ordered the driver out of the vehicle and demanded his license, claiming a suspicious park. But Trooper, a parking lot is for parking. Watch as this cop tries to manufacture a crime and redefine the law to justify his unconstitutional stop.
I'm recording.
I got you. You can leave all your stuff inside the car. Talk to me back here, please.
What's up? What is it?
I got you. I'm gonna talk to you over here.
We can't talk about it. You didn't pull me over though. I'm trying to see what you're doing.
Yeah, there's a suspicious car parked right here.
I'm finna do an intro.
I got you. You can't be doing that, okay? Can I have a driver's license, please?
Driving license for what? I'm not doing nothing. I'm on a lot. I'm finna do a video. I'm finna record a video. Only thing you can do is ask me to leave. I would've left. I'm not
asking you to leave.
I'm asking why not. If it's a problem, I'm not doing nothing. I'm sitting right here finna make a video.
Oh, I see.
And you know I'm not doing nothing either. That's why you wanna go back there. No, I'm recording, sir.
Back where?
You talking about back there? You asked me to step out of the car for nothing. I didn't do nothing. You know I didn't do nothing. I recorded the whole thing, so don't cap like I did.
I'm not saying you did.
The officer demanded the driver's license, falsely stating, "Law says you have to give it to me when I ask for it." This is a blatant Fourth and Fifth Amendment violation. Absent reasonable suspicion, the demand is an unlawful order, and the officer's lie about the law is a fundamental failure of his oath.
I'm saying you got your lights on, like, for what? It's not a traffic stop violation. I didn't do nothing. You didn't pull me over. I was already over here recording and doing stuff, talking. I'm not doing nothing.
I got you. You're not going to be a driver's license?
I'm asking why you need my license.
The suspicious vehicle parked.
Okay, what's suspicious about it? Tell me what's suspicious about it. It's nothing but park. So what's suspicious about it?
The reason you're parked like this?
Yes, want me to tell you why? The angle. I want to show my logo off.
Recording a angle. Okay, I got you.
Want me to show you? Want me to show you real? This is why I park like this. I'm gonna say what's good YouTube, and the lighting in the car.
I got you.
It's going to show. That's why I park like this, sir. That's it. I'm not finna do no burnouts. I'm not finna do no.
No, I didn't say you were gonna do burnouts.
Yeah, that's.
Okay. I told you I'm here because you're a suspicious vehicle parked
yes,
like
sir.
this.
I understand.
In a vacant lot, okay?
I understand.
But you see how we're not understanding each other. You're explaining what you're doing here.
But
the moment you start getting crazy with me, and
I'm not going crazy though. I'm just saying my license.
None of that stuff.
Because I don't understand why I need to give you my license, so I haven't done nothing.
Because I'm asking for it. Law says you have to give it to me when I ask for it. You have to identify yourself.
But you have to have a reason also pull me over. You can't just come to a civilian and be like, how's a vehicle suspicious? Run my tag.
Do you see anyone else?
That's why I'm here, because it's a good lot. It's good film footage, sir. I understand it. I like the lot. I do this all the time. I come here all lot.
I got you.
I live around here. I do this a lot. But if I'm doing something, where I live at, 30 minutes away.
Let me drive a license, please. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Looks like you live in Tennessee.
No.
You don't live there?
No.
Okay, where do you live at?
It's just one resident. I got a few houses, sir.
You got three
houses. I have a house in Georgia, Tennessee.
Okay.
I have a lot of houses.
I got you.
I have a lot of residents.
I got you. All right. So you travel back and forth to your states?
Yes.
Okay. What's your address here in Georgia?
Do you need it?
Yes, sir.
Why? Am I getting a ticket or something?
Probably. Never know.
Okay, that's my license right there. You can use that. I don't gotta use that. Okay. You just use that right there. Okay. Whatever you gonna do.
I got you. Any reason you have super dark tint in your vehicle?
Yes. Can I reach for the tent?
What's that?
I have some in my department to show you out the tent.
You have a permit or something?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it from Georgia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your entire windshield is tinted as well. You can't have that. Are you aware this is a street right here? Huh? Are you aware this is a street? Yeah. This is a street right here, where you're at. It's not a parking lot. It's what? What else is gonna be? I don't understand what you're saying. What else is gonna be?
You just asked me, is it a street? Like,
no, I didn't ask you. I told you.
Yeah,
this is a street.
That's how I got here. A street? Like a street?
Not a street. A street.
Spell it.
You know how to spell street?
I say street. I'm from Memphis.
I got you. The proper word is street.
I can't say it like that. Street.
I got you. What's that? Street.
Street.
Okay. You see these lanes here? So there was a vehicle coming off these roadways here and hits your vehicle. Guess what's gonna happen?
This is not no street.
Facing a lack of jurisdiction in a private lot, the officer absurdly insisted the area was a street. This displays a classic case of abuse of authority, attempting to manufacture a crime by redefining the property's legal status, thereby justifying an already illegal detention.
This is not no street, sir. Stop it. Yeah. It's their fault. What are you talking about? That's a street. This is a lane. You got to be going 10 miles per hour to come in here. If you come off there and hit me, you're going to be at fault because you're supposed to be going slow. Am I tripping? You're the state trooper here. Like what?
What considers a street?
Sir, this is not no street. Right? This is a parking lot. This is a parking lot. Look.
Where do you see parking spaces?
Down there.
Right, come back over here for me.
What?
Where do you see parking spaces?
Down there.
Down there, right? So
this
is a parking lot over there. What do you think this is right here? What do you think this is?
A parking lot.
That is not a parking lot. Where do you see parking spaces? Point the camera. Let me see where the parking spaces are.
What do you mean? They're right there.
They're over there, right?
Yes.
Way over there.
Yes, but you still gotta drive to get there though. Huh? It's like you still have to drive to get there.
I'm not understanding what you say. You got.
I'm saying you gotta drive down here to get to the parking spots. Am I not?
You don't make any sense now.
Okay, so Walmart has Walmart don't have parking spaces in.
Walmart?
They don't have a street. They have parking spaces.
It's not a Walmart.
But it's a company though. It's like Amazon or something. It's a facility. Am I tripping?
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not, bro.
Yeah,
Stop it, bro. Stop it.
Yeah, you are.
You funny. I like you though.
So this is a. I'm not trying to be funny. Okay.
You are though, cause you can't really mess with me for nothing. But I'm having fun though. I understand. Teach me and my people what this is.
This is a street. You cannot be parked like this.
I'm not parked. I'm doing the intro. You're just trying to make it difficult, bro.
No, I'm not.
Because you're just trying to bully me.
You're making it difficult.
Because you came up bullying me. If you would have came up and said, sir, I don't think I've had a lot of interactions with officers, right?
I'm a state trooper.
I had a lot of I know those people too. But anyway, you're still like an officer. You like do what you're doing now.
Enforcement officer.
Exactly. You will enforce law. I don't think you had to do is come up here and say, sir, blow your horn, turn your lights, roll down your window. It happened yesterday. I'm in my lane. Officer did. I was parked at a wrong parking spot in front of a stop sign. He said, sir, you know you can't be parked there. I said, what you mean, officer? He said, look at that sign. He said, police parking only. I said, oh, my bad, sir. He said, thank you, sir. I just asked you to leave. That's all you have to do. If I'm doing something, you act like I'm over here. Now, I can see if I was over here doing donuts or burnouts. But I'm over here just sitting minding my business in the car. And I said,
but we're having a casual conversation.
But you can't, you cut your lights on and,
well, what you want me to do?
And ask for my license.
You want to keep them off?
I'm saying, look how you park. That's intimidating.
Is
it not?
I turned around.
You turned around and turned on your light, and then you come up here.
Okay, well, let's just show your vehicle.
Tell me to step out the vehicle. Look at it. It's doing nothing.
Is that intimidating?
No, I'm not doing nothing. How? How is that intimidating?
The same way yours is.
But listen, no, you got your lights on.
Intimidating?
Because you're an officer, and I'm not doing nothing.
Not an officer.
Exactly. That's even more respect, right? And I'm not doing nothing. Like you should just say, sir, just leave the apartment. You know, private.
I can tell you that.
That's all you have to do. You cut on your lights. You can make me get out the car. That's intimidating to me.
Look. Let me tell you why I cut my lights on, right?
Yeah.
When I cut my lights on, I turn my camera on. Okay. Just like you can record, we can record.
I want you to do that.
And it's my policy to record.
Exactly.
So, but if I want to turn my lights on, my camera want to cut on, and then I come over here talking to you. Now listen. Listen. I come over here talking to you, and I tell you something, and you take it into offense, and it wasn't recorded.
It's gonna be recorded though.
I got you, but how am I supposed to know you're supposed to have a camera recording? Not everybody.
But listen, what I'm saying is the interaction could be 1 second. Only thing you had to do is pull up and say, sir, you can't be parked like that. What are you doing?
Well, you made it difficult to yourself.
No, I didn't. You pulled up on me. You was right here, and then you turned around and turned your lights on. That's not intimidating.
Like you not understand. So hop back in your car for me.
Okay.
And I'll be right back with you. Okay.
You gonna give me a ticket?
That'll be my decision.
Why though? You could just ask me to leave. What's the ticket for?
So now you're delaying my stop.
No, I'm telling you.
Conclusion. Unlawful detention and egregious misconduct. Trooper Chavez violated the driver's Fourth Amendment rights by initiating an unlawful stop without RAS and issuing an illegal order. This is a clear case of harassment under the color of law, driven purely by ego. Call to action. If you're pulled over without cause, assert your rights. Do not consent to searches or answer questions. Document everything. Hold your public servants accountable. Your constitutional rights are your power. Use them. Welcome to North Carolina, where the police apparently believe state law can nullify the U.S. Constitution. A detective, supposedly investigating a case involving a juvenile, confronted an auditor for filming in a public place. This officer demanded the camera shut off, citing a completely fabricated law about private conversations in public, and even confusing the First with the Fourth Amendment. We are witnessing a complete breakdown of legal literacy. But will this detective learn his lesson before he ends up on the wrong side of a civil rights lawsuit?
Would you show me? Okay. You willing to? I know.
Carolina General Statute.
I know.
Thousands of them. You
okay.
Search it for yourself.
I don't have to. I already know.
It's my responsibility to educate you if you're breaking the law.
Well,
you should know.
You should arrest me if I'm breaking it.
You should know.
You should.
The detective falsely claims NC law restricts recording juveniles in public conversations. This is gross legal ignorance. There is zero expectation of privacy in public, and no state law can supersede the First Amendment's protection of the press. This officer is attempting prior restraint based on a non-existent statute.
You should arrest me. As a law enforcement officer, if you witness me breaking the law, you should arrest me.
It's called officer discretion. I have misdemeanor discretion, okay?
Okay.
I would have to arrest you if you committed a felony.
Is that a personal phone or a work phone?
It's a work phone.
I'm going to FOIA request that picture you took of me as well.
That's fine. You can do whatever you want.
I am. What's your name and badge number?
It's Detective Lagelfo. My badge number is 499.
Appreciate you.
That's actually my call number. We don't have badge numbers.
That's fine.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
There are North Carolina laws restricting you from recording juveniles engaged in private conversations, which would be a law enforcement investigation.
Not in public.
Yes, there are. Yes, there are.
Nothing supersedes the Constitution.
That is not true.
It's very true, and it's sad that you just said that.
To the Constitution.
Did you take an oath to
there
the?
Are amendments
did
to
you
the
take an oath to the statute?
Give me the whole First Amendment.
Did you take an oath?
It's
It's 5 protections under the First Amendment. Do you know them?
Give me them.
Religion, assembly, press, petition, speech.
Yeah, but
you should know that.
You don't have total freedom of the speech or the press. Correct?
You have total free. Anywhere the press can go.
What would this cover?
Anywhere the public can go, the press can go. And as far as speech.
What constitutional amendment would this cover?
First Amendment.
Fourth.
No.
Yes,
Fourth Amendment is search and seizure.
Invasion of privacy.
No, sir. You're embarrassing yourself. Stop talking.
Go look up North Carolina.
You shouldn't be a detective saying what you just said, sir.
Go look up the North Carolina General Statute regarding recording juveniles engaged in
It doesn't supersede the Constitution.
Okay, brother.
You took an oath to the Constitution.
Okay.
To uphold.
You want me to pull it up for you?
You said you didn't. It's not you.
Want me to pull
I
up the
do.
North Carolina
I sure
General?
do.
The auditor challenges the detective to charge him if he's breaking the law, exposing the detective's fear. You don't want the lawsuit. I'm 3 for 3. The officer admits to using misdemeanor discretion. This is not discretion. This is litigation avoidance. The officer knows the arrest would be unlawful and is prioritizing departmental liability over his duty to enforce.
I sure do. Okay. That supersedes the Constitution of freedom of press in the public.
The United States Constitution is the law of the land.
There's
North Carolina
case
has a
law.
state constitution as well.
There's case law regarding this subject. I'm in public. I have every right. Yes, I am. I'm
record juveniles engaged in private conversations.
There's no privacy. There's no expectation of privacy in public.
Yes, there is.
There's none.
During certain circumstances.
There's no situation.
You are interjecting yourself into an investigation you are not a part of.
There is no
so if you
expectation
in hearing distance where you can hear, you should stand back 50 feet where audit.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No, sir. You're incorrect. You need to look it up. Pull it up for me. You was just pulling. You just pulled your phone out to show me.
Because it's not the time to do that.
I know it's never the time. You'll never find that.
Just like you don't have to do that.
You will never find it.
Okay.
I've been studying law longer than you've been in law enforcement, sir.
Sounds good, bro. You don't even know who I am or how long I've been in law enforcement.
I guarantee you ain't been in law enforcement.
Law from where?
Excuse me?
Studying law from where?
The same place everybody. You know the United States Supreme Court ruled every citizen is expected and presumed to know the law?
Yeah, I do.
Do you also know that?
You don't know it.
Is that right?
You don't know it.
Okay. Well, I'm not in cuffs then.
Okay.
I don't have to arrest you. I know, and you don't want the lawsuit. I'm 3 for 3. I'm 3 for 3.
We're here for you.
I'm 3 for 3.
Not today. You're 0 for 0.
I'm 3 for 3.
You're not gonna bait me.
I know you don't.
This is what you do with your time.
No, sir.
You ain't gonna work today.
No, sir. No, sir.
So if you want to stand out here, that's fine. You're wasting
I'm going to. I'm not wasting my time. I'm doing exactly.
The juvenile's in the house with his mother.
That's
so what
fine.
Are you doing here? What's your purpose?
I'm recording you, my government. I can record you in the course of your duties.
Record me walking away.
I am. I'm recording you.
Have a good one.
Everything I'm saying, you can't rebut it because it's constitutional.
I've already reviewed it. You just don't want to hear it.
Nah, you ain't saying nothing with facts though. It's not factual.
If I go clarify that law, I'll go speak with the district attorney's office, and if I am correct, the next time you do it, I'll charge you.
And I will apologize to you after you charge me. Because I'm a man. If I'm wrong, I will apologize after you charge me.
You've done it. The reason why we're not at that point today is because I'm not sure. I don't enforce those kind of laws.
I appreciate you saying that you're not sure. That's the most honest thing you said so far.
Everything I've said has been honest.
That's the best thing you said. You're not sure. But I'm standing here on my conviction.
Honest, because you said you're doing it to protect that child. You're not. You're doing it for yourself.
No, sir.
You are.
This video will never be on social media unless it has to be.
Conclusion: a detective's oath betrayed. This officer, sworn to uphold the Constitution, demonstrated a fundamental lack of legal understanding, prioritizing fictional state statutes over the First Amendment. His reluctance to charge the auditor confirms his misconduct and fear of a civil rights lawsuit. This video is not just a lesson, it's a warning. Call to action. We pay public servants to know the law. If they don't, we fire them and sue them. Subscribe, share this exposure of misconduct, and remind every government employee. The Constitution is the law of the land. Period.